Welcome to Waterfront Living at its finest, where your backyard isn't just a view, it's a lifestyle. Whether it's boating, fishing, or just relaxing by the water, this stunning canal front home here in the islands of Rockport brings it all together with luxury, comfort, and unbeatable access to the coast. Hey everyone, I'm Leslie Milner, a real estate agent here in Rockport, Texas, and today I'm excited to show you this incredible 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath canal front home with 3,292 square feet of living space, 2 stories, and 2 living areas. This home was designed for both entertaining and everyday comfort. And stepping inside this home, you're immediately greeted by an open concept living area with high ceilings and large windows that allow plenty of natural light to pour in. The living room flows into the chef's kitchen, which has custom designed backsplash, high-end appliances, and has a butler-style pantry. On the main level, you're going to find 2 bedrooms, one being the primary suite, which has a spa-like bathroom with floor-to-ceiling tile and a walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a small walk-in closet. The second bedroom is perfect for guests or family, offering its own comfortable space on the main floor. And upstairs, you have the second living area with a wet bar, which is perfect for hosting game nights or just kicking back after a long day. And you also have 2 other bedrooms up there, and if you have grandkids, one of the rooms actually has 4 bunks in it, which would be perfect to put all the kiddos in. Now, one of the standout features of this home is the tile work on the staircase, which just adds a unique touch that makes the staircase really pop. Another feature is the multiple balconies on the front and back, giving you the perfect vantage point to take in all the views. Now, this home also has a resort-style pool and a hot tub, as well as its own boat slip and fish cleaning station. So if this house sounds like something you'll be interested in, reach out to me for more details. You'll find my contact information in the description below. Now let's go take a closer look at this home. Alright, that wraps up our tour of this incredible Rockport waterfront home. If this home has caught your eye or you'd like to know more, reach out to me. You'll find my contact information in the description below. And if you did enjoy this video, consider hitting that subscribe button below and sharing my video, as it helps my channel reach more people and lets me know you want more content like this. Again, I'm Leslie Milner, and I'll see you in the next video.